First step is plug the test leads into COM or the black wire and the positive socket. So that's the first step. Then second step is place the range selector to describe range position. So we're going to measure ohms. So place the selector into the ohms. So the third step is short the test leads and turn 0 ohms adjustment to set the pointer to 0 ohms position. So short, as you can see. So let's adjust. That's it. And step number 4 is make sure that there is no voltage across the circuit to be tested. So this. Then the last step is connect the test leads to the tested resistor and read the scale in accordance with the reference table. So let's read. So make this one because we want to be in the middle almost. So that's it. 9 ohms times the selector is 1K. So 9 times 1K equals 9,000 ohms. Start with the first step is plug the red test leads into the positive socket and the black one into the negative COM. So let's plug. Then second step is set the range selector to the selected DC voltage range position. So let's set, and it's set to the highest. Then the third step is connect the red test leads to the positive polarity of the circuit tested and the black one into the negative. So this is it. So as you can see, not moving or a little bit. So let's move. So let's move to 10. So you can see the pointer pointed in the middle of 8 and 10. So our value of this voltage battery is 9 volts. So our first step is plug the red test lead into the positive socket and the black into the COM or the negative socket. So this. Then the second step is set the range selector at the selected DC ampere range position. So just start to the highest to 50. Then the third step is connect the red test lead to the positive polarity of the circuit tested and the black into the negative. So it's our material. So connect. So as you can see, not moving. Then it's down to 2.5. So as you can see, it's 3.5. So the current flow in this circuit is 3.5 milliampere.